This is going to be a tutorial on how to balance equations and predict products. Some of you may already know the 3 rules for predicting products, and this is for any type of chemical reaction, whether it's decombustion, synthesis, single replacement, double replacement, or decomposition. Go ahead and pause the video and write this down in your notes. The first rule is to actually predict the products. I'm showing an example. To predict the products, I'm speaking about on the other side of the arrow. These are the reactants on this side. After the arrow, those are the products. So step 1 is just to predict the products. Step 2, butterfly the charges. When you're doing these types of problems or predicting products, you're going to need your periodic table. You can use your colored one that has your notes. The charges are at the very top, and if they're not, go ahead and write them. The halogens charge is -1. This column is -2. This is -3. Some common ones, aluminum is +3. Zinc is +2. And on these 2 rows, +1 and then +2. If you need me to pause it, just go ahead and let me know so you can take some notes on your periodic table. So that was step 2, butterfly the charges. You will have to use your periodic table. I'll go ahead and make a note. And step 3, balance the equation. Atoms must be equal on both sides of the arrow. So after here's another example, the Mg and I. After you switch the charges, you butterfly the charges. Okay, so this is your final compound. You need to make sure it's even on both sides of the arrow, that the same number of atoms are equal to each other. So there's the arrow. Make sure that if there's 1 Mg here, there's only 1 Mg here. If there's 2 I's here, that there are 2 I's here. Sometimes you'll have to add your own line if it's not provided for you. And that line is used for what? What type of number do we add there? A coefficient or a subscript? Okay, we would add coefficients. Coefficients are the big numbers. Those are the 3 rules for predicting products.